Kia Too Technical. As you can see, cotton people over at Prodigee was kind enough to send me out some cases for my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is the second time I have received cases from them. They actually send me out cases for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it says East 2012 Prodigee, San Diego, California. So we're just going to open up the box like so. And now I'm just going to give you a little haul, and then I'll come back and do a separate video on all of these cases. So this is their little card. It says Prodigee. Thank you for choosing Prodigee. It's nice. So, oh, okay. They sent me out a little shirt. So that is nice. That is nice. It's nice. It's not my size, but it's okay. But they did send me out a shirt. And they sent me out some cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for me to check out and show you on my device. So let me take all of these out real quick. Like I said, this is my second time getting something from them. So first, I'm gonna give you a walk through some of these cases. So you get the rugged feel. This is the blackout. Then I get the Formula K1. I have this case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max, actually. Then I get the Edge. Then they sent me over the Superhero. I have this one for my iPhone 16 Pro Max, but it's in black. Then they sent me out the Pampus. I have this one too for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. They sent me out the Pop Star. I'm really not a fan of the sparkly, but I have this case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max also. And then they also sent me out the Jogger. I haven't had this case. This is going to be a new case for me. But these are some of the cases that they were kind enough to send me over to check out for my S26 Ultra at the moment. And then you also get keychain lanyard for your keys. And then you get this little cool magnet. Not magnet. You get a wall. Well, last time I did get like a magnet. But this is their Prodigee pop socket wallet. So you can stick this on the back of your phone cases. I have this one. I also have this already. And I also have this already. So I just want to say thank you to Prodigee for sending me out your cases once again. This has been a tech haul from Prodigee. I will get back with you and do an unboxing of all of these cases separate. Hope you found this short haul helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.